Hello kids, welcome back to my channel. Let's learn colors name. Orange color, brown color, sky blue color, green color, red color, violet color, yellow color. Today we will learn A to Z. So let's get started. A for arrow. B for banana. C for cupboard. D for dolphin. E for egg. F for fan. G for gun. H for house. I for ice cream. J for jump. K for kid. L for lily. M for mosquito. N for nail. O for octopus. P for papaya. Q for queen. R for ribbon. S for sunflower. T for tiffin. U for universe. V for vision. W for wheel. X for Xmas tree. Y for yacht. Z for zoo. Let's revise. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. You have to practice this every day. And like and subscribe my channel. Bye-bye.